It's like a river, smooth and deep, whispers in the night, secrets to keep. Every note, every sigh, a spell I cast. They come alive when I let my voice pass. I love the sound, it's my soul, it's my grace, it's my grace. Echoes of dreams in this endless space. They leaning close just to feel, just to hear. My voice like a song, pulling them near. A gentle fire, it lights the way, soft as dawn, bright as day. In every word, they find their own, caught in the tone I call my own. I love the sound, it's my soul, it's my grace, it's my grace. Echoes of dreams in this endless space. They're leaning close just to feel, just to hear. My voice like a song, pulling them near. It's more than sound, it's life, it's breath. The sound of joy, of love, of depth. I know they'll listen, and I don't mind, 'cause in my voice, my truth they'll find. So let them come, let them stay.